am going to show you today what is in your Zombie Hunting Neighborhood Scientist Kit that you can pick up at any Martinsburg-Berkeley County Public Library branch. This is part of our Citizen Science Month project. So the kit that you get will allow you to collect data for scientists. Inside, you're going to have some information about bees, pollinators, and what the zombie is. And you're going to have supplies to create your zombie trap. Some of the supplies are provided, but you also will need to provide your own water bottle. And the first step in building your trap is cutting the top off your water bottle and then sitting it inside the bottom part like so that it has a little hole so that the bees basically enter and get stuck inside. So that is your trap, and the lure to bring the bees in will be this camp flashlight. Bees are not typically attracted by light, but the zombies are, and that's how we can tell that's what's getting into your trap. So you need to take this lanyard that's also provided in the kit. You're going to take your lanyard and tie it around your camp light. Just unhook the lanyard so it's a big long string, and just do a nice little knot around the light like that. Double knot. Then you can take this clip from the lanyard and clip it onto your water bottle like that. And it's that easy. You're going to take your trap outside and hook the lanyard hook around a tree limb. And then you'll arrange the light bulb above the trap so that it attracts the bees right into the entrance of the trap. Make sure you turn on the light and then leave it there overnight. So after a night of your bee trap outside, you want to bring it in and inspect and see if there are any bees in here. As you can see, we do not have any bees, and that is the goal. That means there are no zombies in my area. So if there were, we do have some other little supplies here that you can use to inspect your bee, because after watching the videos about zombies, you'll see that you can actually see larvae inside the bees that creates the zombie disease that they have. So we have this jeweler's loop, and it is something that biologists use to identify species, usually plants, sometimes bugs. It's like a tiny little portable magnifying glass. You just flip it out like that. And then if I had a bee here, I could hold it with my tweezers and inspect and see if there was anything unusual about the bee. And then I would note that on the Zombie Watch website. So that is it for the Zombie Watch kit.